photo for this one also. Added official features for Poco rather. So yeah, and all other figurines of us will be, or meron na talaga silang ano lahat, magiging with facial expressions na sila lahat. So technically, we are upgrading our products and our branding, our packaging, so make it more secured, to make it more collectible-ish type of box. And yeah,